The next one is fun too. It's drawing with two hands, which is going to be difficult because I'm not used to drawing with my left hand. I don't know about you, but I'm taking two colors. I'll probably take these red and green again. Well, I'll maybe take another color that we haven't used yet. Green and purple. Well, we have to use the purple, but it would be maybe nice. And then we'll start to draw. It's going to be difficult on this small paper, but it's still fun. Here you can just look, but you can't really control what you're doing. And again, don't lift the pen from the paper. Which is even more ugly than the other ones we did. Oopla. Let's take these two. I'll do another one. Doesn't really matter if it's the same. Start a bit lower. It's maybe easier to do it with a pencil because it's a bit thick. Do it on a bigger paper too. This is really difficult for me. For someone who likes to do precise drawings and having the proportions right, it is really, really difficult. Okay, which one do you like best? I like this one best and this one. But maybe that's normal because these are my colors. I love those colors. Turquoise and this one too, blue. Okay, I hope that you like this exercise and now we're going to do some in paint.